Here's how to quickly disable TalkBack on Android. So let's go ahead and use the shortcut if it's enabled. Look for the TalkBack shortcut icon, which is usually a small purple icon. Then double tap the shortcut to instantly turn the TalkBack off. If you want to use the settings, go ahead and open the system settings. From here, use the search bar and simply search for TalkBack. Tap on TalkBack. Now go to the TalkBack option and toggle to turn on the TalkBack. Now tap on Allow from the bottom. Turn off the assistant menu. This will be
TalkBack on.
But in the case, if you want to turn it off, simply go ahead and double tap on this toggle right here. Then again, double tap on this turn off button in the bottom right corner of the screen.
Turn off. TalkBack off.
And you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.